Oh, why hello there. This is Bobby's edition of The View. Today, you will see a video on types of energy, such as potential energy, kinetic energy, elastic potential energy, and gravitational potential energy. And I'll be performing a few experiments. One will be using a basketball hoop. Another will feature an elastic band. Wow. And also an exclusive sledding video featuring Dan Walsh, one of the greatest actors you've ever seen. You will ever see him. You'll never see him as good as he is in this video. But now, anyways, hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you see that I have a, wait for it, lot of potential. But, hello and welcome back to Bobby's edition of The View. Here's our basketball experiment, so let's get started. As you should know, every object has potential energy, including this basketball. And when you raise that object's height, you give it the force known as gravitational potential energy. Now, I'm going to shoot this basketball, and when it reaches the climax, or the highest point of the shot, that's when it's the turning point of when potential energy transfers to kinetic energy, and potential energy is no longer used. So now, here we go. Shoot the ball. I missed. But when it reached the climax of its height, which is about right here, the gravity of the ball, the force of gravity, allows the ball to be pushed down into here. And it does not go straight down because of the force that I put on the ball, which put it in this direction to go diagonally down. And even though I missed, it was a good try. But science all happened there. So, that's our basketball experiment. And thank you for watching. Welcome back to Bobby's edition of The View. We're at Halifax Elementary at about 9 a.m. right now. And here comes our sledding video featuring Dan Walsh. So, as Dan goes down the hill, the steepness of the hill is going to determine his velocity, which will determine his speed. Or his speed will determine his velocity. So, speed is like the rate of motion you're going in one direction, and velocity is the rate of speed you're going in one direction. So, Dan's gonna go down the hill, and as he puts in work and energy, joules will be produced, which will, yeah, that's the science in that. Alright, Dan, go down the hill. Here we go.
Alright. In 5. Actually, no, I'm not gonna count down. I'm just gonna go for it.
Go. Here we go. Dan went down a little rough there, which means his speed and velocity was high, and it looks like a lot of joules were produced too. So, Dan's speed really related on his mass. Going down the hill, the greater his mass, the faster he would have gone, the greater the velocity, which created more joules. That was Bobby's The View. Welcome back to Bobby's The View for our final experiment, the rubber band. I know you're all amazed at this. So, this will be based on elastic potential energy, which is why this is an elastic band. All I'm going to do is shoot this at the wall like that, and as I stretch this out, I'm changing its shape, and when I shoot it, it will change its position. So, and as I put in work to stretch and shoot this rubber band, ow, joules will be produced. You just saw me shoot that. Joules will be produced as they just were. And yep, that's our experiment. And I might have to do an experiment on my finger too, because that hurt. But thanks, and thanks for watching Bobby's The View.